Here's the second attempt at the gutter rainwater harvesting. For the first attempt, which was basically a 5-gallon water jug that was modified. Had one of those strainer, actually the exact same strainer, but the whole thing got clogged up with dirt pretty quickly. So 2.0, I have this big settling chamber here. Hopefully the dirt will be able to settle there or flow through this screen, which has a cutout. Then this smaller chamber will be the primary water harvesting chamber, and hopefully the thing wouldn't get clogged up with dirt for a few rain events, and you could shovel it out in between with a utensil like that. It's got the dual outlet, so I'm gonna go hook up another 100-foot of hose, double my pleasure. Is that beautiful or what? Well, it stopped raining a couple hours ago, but still collecting. Why 2 chambers, you might ask? That's why. We're blooming, baby.